Welcome to Beginner's Guide for the C programming tutorial videos. Today we are going to discuss about if statement in C programming. So what is if statement? For example, when we need to execute a block of statement, only when a given condition is true, then we use if statement. For example, this is a syntax for the if statement. If, then followed by the condition. If this given condition is true, then we are going to execute this block of statement. If this given condition is false, then nothing is going to be happen. This is what the if condition does. So let us quickly see the if condition in C program by solving this problem. Right? The problem is the current year and the year in which the employee joined the company are entered through the keyboard. If the number of years for which the employee has served the company is more than 5 years, then the bonus of $3,000 is given to the employee. If the years of service is not greater than 5, then the program should do nothing. Okay, in short, what this problem says, there is an employee who has been working in the company. If he or she works more than 5 years, then that employee will be given the bonus of $3,000. If the number of years that he or she served the company is less than 5 years, they are going to get nothing. So in this program, in short, we should know the current year, right? We should know the current year. Then what else? We should know the year of joining, isn't it so? Year of joining. So we should know the current year and the year of joining that the employee has joined. Then based on this year of joining and the current year, we can know the year of service, isn't it so? Then based on the year of service, that employee can be given the bonus, isn't it so? So in short, what it means, we should know the current year, then the year that employee has joined the company. Based on these two, we can able to find out the year of service, isn't it so? If the year of service is greater than 5, he or she will be given the bonus. So these things are called variables. So all these things, bonus, year of service, year of join, current year, they all belongs to one data type called integer, isn't it so? The year is an integer, year of joining is an integer, year of service is also an integer data type, and bonus is also an integer data type because the bonus is $3,000. That 3,000 is an integer data type. I hope you understand. So we got all these variables from this given problem, right? Now what is the next step? We need to find out the year of service. How can you calculate the year of service? Year of service can be calculated from subtracting the current year from the year of joining, isn't it so? But now, as for now, we don't have the current year and we don't have the year of joining, isn't it so? So we have to ask the user to give us the current year and the year of joining. So for us to do that, we have to write the printf statement, and then we need to ask our user to enter the current year and the year of joining. For us to do that, just type here, enter the current year and the year of joining, right? Now this message will be given to the user. Then what is next? User has to enter the current year and the year of joining. For us to get the input from the user, we have to use the scanf function. So the user has to enter two things. What are all those things? First, he or she has to enter the current year, then followed by the year of joining. So we have to pass those two variables here. So what is the first one? We have to find out the current year, followed by we have to get the year of joining from the user, right? Now we asked our user to enter the current year and the year of joining. Now he or she has entered that details. So what is the next step? If you have got the current year and the year that employee has joined the company, it's easy for you to calculate the year of service, isn't it so? How can you calculate the year of service? This year of service is calculated from subtracting the current year from this year of joining. Now after this formula, you will have the year of service of that particular employee. Now we are going to use the if condition. If in this parenthesis we have to pass the condition according to the syntax. So what is the condition? If this year of service is greater than 5. Why greater than 5? That is what it says, right? If someone is served more than 5 years, meaning that this service, year of service, if it is greater than 5, then he or she will be given the bonus of 3000. Is it clear? If that year of service is greater than 5 years, then he or she will be given the bonus of 3000. Now we need to print this bonus. How can you print? As usual, print. You are going to say bonus is, let's say this is an integer data type, then I want to print them into the next line, so that one can be print from this bonus. I'm sure that there is no question on this statement, right? If someone is served more than 5 years, he or she will be given the bonus of 3000. Here is just the printf statement. We are trying to print that bonus here. So bonus is equals to percentage d. Why percentage d? This bonus is belongs to the data type called integer. That is the reason why percentage d. Then I wanted to print that bonus. What is the bonus? This 3000 will be given. So what is the last statement? If the years of service is not greater than 5, then the program should do nothing. Okay, if the years is more than 5, it is going to print. If this condition is true, it is going to print this bonus is 3000. If this condition is 4, the program has to do nothing. So you have to leave the program just like that, because if it is greater than 5 years, it's going to print this bonus 3000. If it is less than 5 years, then it's going to be nothing. So let me run this program now. Here I missed the comma. No wonder that there is an error. Now enter the current year and the year of joining. Let me say enter the current year is 2020. Then the year of joining is 2014. Right? The bonus is 3000. Why? Because when you subtract 2020 from 2014, the year of service is 6. That 6 is more than 5. So he or she will be given the 3500. What if that person is saved less than 5 years? So meaning, let me say the current year is 2020. Then the second one is the year of joining is maybe, let's say 2019. The program has done nothing. There is nothing, right? So meaning that that is what our problem asks us to do. If the year of service is more than 5 years, then we have to print 3000. If the year of service is less than 5 years, the program has to do nothing. The program has done nothing. I hope you understand what is if condition. If condition, which is nothing but it will check whether the given condition is true or false. If the given condition is true, the block of statement is going to be executed. If this given condition is true, what does it mean block of statement? This is a block of statement for this if condition, isn't it? So if this condition is true, the block of statement for that if condition is going to be executed. Otherwise, if this condition is false, maybe if this year of service is less than 5, it is going to do nothing. This is about the if condition. I hope you understood this concept. For more videos, kindly subscribe to Beginner's Guide.